Hi there, welcome to our Build With Us website service. This is your first website tutorial and it'll cover the basics on how to start editing your website, replacing the existing stock imagery and text with your own photos and wording. So first of all, you'll be sent an email with your login and password. So using those details, follow the link to the login area and log in to your website. You'll find yourself in the dashboard, which looks like this. And once you're in there, you always need to remember that when you're editing your website, you need to be at the front end. So click to the front end from this link in the top left-hand side, and you'll see that you're on the website. So let's just go with the home page first. What you want to do is click on Front End Editor and wait for that editor to load up. And this will only allow you to edit the content of your web page. So that the header area isn't accessible from here, and nor is the footer, which is at the very bottom, or any of the global areas, which are these two areas here. But the rest is the main part of your website page is all editable via this section here, and we'll show you how to edit global areas and footers, etc., on separate videos. So once your page editor has loaded up, you'll see that when you hover over the rows, you get a blue outline, and you can see at the top left-hand corner it has these little icons, and when you hover over it says row settings, so you know that you're hovering over the whole row. So when you go down to various bits of text and so on, you'll see that they too have got the blue outline. So when you want to edit, say, the text, you would click on the text, and it'll bring up a little pop-up box. Go to the first tab generally, and you'll see that's where the text is found. You just overtype that with your own text, e.g. here. Click Save, and that's it. You'll see that whatever you've typed in there will then show up. Then you can move down to the various other boxes and do exactly the same thing. Click into each box and make your changes. Once you've finished, you just click Save. They won't be live yet. You'll have to click Done and Publish to get to that part, but just make all your changes in one go, and then you'll publish at the end. So you'll notice at the top of the page there's a photo header, and this is actually the background of a row. So in order to change that, you'll click on Row Settings and wait for the box to open up, and then once you see it's loaded up properly, scroll down a little, and you'll see it says Background Slideshow, and you'll see there's 4 photos added to that. You can do quite a few things with this area. You can drag and drop the order that you want the photos to appear. You can delete photos and add more photos. So in your instance, you'll be adding to the gallery, uploading files because you won't have any of your photos yet added to your website. You simply click on Select Files, find some images on your computer, and upload them into the library. And once they're in there, you can select them and use them in multiple locations throughout your website. So you only need to upload one picture, the same picture once, and you can use that picture multiple times on different pages. But in this instance, imagine you've got the photos uploaded. You can just select additional photos like so and click Add to Gallery. And you'll see that those are the extra images added. Click Update Gallery and Save, and that will be saved but not yet live. So scrolling down, you would just make all your changes in exactly the same way. This is a media an image carousel, so it's actually a gallery sort of thing. So you just need to click Add to Gallery and add additional images should you wish, to add your own images basically to replace these that are here. And it's exactly the same way. You can drag and drop the order, and then once you've finished making your changes, click Update Gallery and click Save. Scrolling down, highlights here, you just click into the box and you'll see the list of highlights. You literally just go into the box and overtype with your text. Click Save. Scrolling down, you've got, this is called an info box. You just click into that and you'll see that the title, once it loads up, is here. Title prefix, title here. If I drag that over, you can see what I mean. That's the first bit here, and this is the main title here. And this is the actual box itself with the text in it, which you can overtype. You can always make these pop-up boxes bigger by just dragging to make them a bit bigger so you can see what you're doing. Once you finish making your changes, just click Save. And then to edit this picture here, which is a background of the column, you just click on the picture. This, you can see it says column settings. Like the header, you scroll down to see the background and you can see it's set as a photo. You just click remove, select a photo, and if you've already uploaded the photo that you want into your media library, you can just select the photo that you want, click select, or if you haven't yet uploaded it, click on upload files and find it on your computer to bring that into your media library. Then you click select photo and save, and you'll see that that image has changed to the new one. And these two are exactly the same as above. They're just a smaller version. And that's it. Once you've finished making your changes to the page, you just click done and then publish. Now, I don't want to publish that because I've made changes that I don't want for the demo. So I'm going to click discard. So if you can always remember to do that. If you've made some changes and you think, oh, I don't really want those changes, just click discard and none of those changes will be saved. And that's it. So once you've made those changes, you can carry on to the next page and make your changes in exactly the same way. And you'll notice that this sort of row, which is called a parallax background, is just a background of the row. So you would edit that photo in exactly the same way as you do the header photos. And likewise, this is an image carousel, so exactly the same as on the home page, and so on. We're going to be supplying video tutorials to show you more in depth various aspects. So this is just the quick overview tutorial to get you familiar with how to edit your pages and so on. Once you finish making your changes, you can go back into the dashboard at any time by clicking here. And likewise, when you're in the dashboard, you can click front end to go back to the front end. But all you need to remember really is that when you want to edit pages, you do it front end and you just click front end editor and wait for it to load up before you start making your changes. Let me know if you have any questions and we'll create a video tutorial to show you how it's done. Many thanks.